Welcome to Beauty for All's Eyebrow Hot Wax Tutorial, your ultimate guide to beauty. To begin with, firstly, cleanse eyebrow properly, then apply oil on the eyebrows. Go on to use waxing to remove hair, then start waxing in the middle of eyebrow. Make sure let both side hair equally. When the wax is dry, gently put it after middle of the eyebrow. Apply waxing on right eyebrow. Remove hair from bottom of the eyebrows. Make sure put the eyebrow up to make nicer shape. On the top to side of eyebrow to make sure not too close to the shape. Gently cover all the excess hair, the guide left the eyebrow and put the waxing top of eyebrow. To near the middle apply wax and gently pull. You can see this waxing really skin-friendly, no burns, painless, and slightly redness. It will go after you all. We at Beauty for All use oil on the skin before applying wax, which create barriers between skin and wax, so less damage to the skin. At the end, cleanse them and apply aloe vera gel. Now your eyes are ready to rule. This is how easily you can perform hot waxed eyebrow. Please keep watching for more.